All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What are we doing today? Well, we're not using this to test this. We're using the Rossi survival rifle. We're going to be about 40 yards. Going to see the penetration. This is pretty much the final test of this bullet out the Rossi survival rifle itself to see if it's going to have the penetration to take down wild game, take down a deer. That's the shot out there that I got in the heavy brush is about 40 yards, so I want to double check and make sure we got the penetration going on. So y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down. All right, let's go see what kind we had. The clay, which we did make contact with the clay, blew a nice hole in it right there. That's a cross view. David turned a little shorter. Then we had after the clay, we hit the water, clean paster on that. It was shot a little low, but it didn't scrape the board or anything. It didn't make contact with the wood below. Here's the 3/4 inch. We have an actual hole, so it didn't just split it. It actually blew a hole in it. So that's a good sign. We went in and out the first water jug, and we have it caught in the second. So with all that being said, it will definitely hunt. So that will be, like I said, this is about 40 yards is what I'm shooting at the other place in the trees and thick heavy brush. So I want to use this year, the 45 Colt. Gonna drop plan on dropping a doe with that. So there we go. Thanks for watching. All right, here we go. We are back, and this is what we ended up with that bullet turned out looking like. Making sure that we got good enough penetration on this that it'll be good enough to hunt with. Now we did actually lose 1, 2, 3 of the petals broke off of that bullet. And the penetration was good. It's solid. It went through the clay, got the expansion, hit that smaller jug of water, and then busted through the board, punched a hole through it, and went in through the first water jug and got caught in the second one. So yeah, I am pleased with that kind of penetration. That's if you're looking, that's what we got, and that's what we got it turned into. All right, there we go. 0.58 on the expansion. We got top to bottom 0.53. Not too shabby. Now, just out of curiosity, since we have some breakage, let's see what we have on the weight. There's 3, 187.6. So that ain't that bad. That's, yeah, those little pedals ain't not a lot of weight to them, but there you go. So the penetration test was definitely a success. We'll be using this out at the one place where it's about a 40-yard shot is what I got in the heavy brush. So that is a good deal. So we'll be trying to drop a doe this year, or a buck, with the 45 Colt.